Okay. Alrighty, hello. Misty Moran here, Jared Moran. So the assignment is to pick something that I'm good at and describe it step by step. So I'm really good at algebra, and my husband, not so much. So I'm going to describe or show him how to solve a problem. You might not really be able to see it very well. So the equation is 5 times negative 3x minus 2 minus x minus 3 equals negative 4 times 4x plus 5 plus 13. Okay? Did you get that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, what we need to do is get x by itself. But first, we need to get rid of the parentheses so then we can combine like terms. So in order to get rid of the parentheses, what this is basically saying is 5 times negative 3x, 5 times negative 2. So we're going to distribute the 5 to both of these. So that's going to give us negative 15x minus 10, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then outside of these parentheses, there's just a negative sign. So you want to imagine that there's a negative 1 right here.
Negative minus x.
Uh-huh.
Negative times a negative is a positive, so that's plus 3.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing to the other side.
Right.
So 4 times, okay, negative 4 times 4x. So it would be negative 16x. And then, what, plus?
But then negative times positive.
Negative.
Yeah. So negative 4 times positive 1.
Negative 20 minus 20.
And then we just have plus 13 down here. Okay?
This is where I get confused.
So our new equation is negative 15x minus 10 minus x plus 3 equals negative 16x minus 20 plus 13. Okay, so first of all, we want to combine like terms. So you kind of want to isolate each side of the equal sign to just break it down as much as you can before you start moving everything across. So if you see over here, we have negative 15x, and then we also have a negative x. So since they share the same variable, they can be combined.
Negative 16?
Yes.
X?
Negative 15x. And then we have a whole number and another whole number, so we can combine those.
So that's a negative 10 plus a positive 3, so that's minus 7.
Yes. Equals. And then on this side, we don't have anything with a variable, so it's just going to be negative 16x. But then we have two whole numbers.
So minus 7. Ooh, they're equal on each side.
They are. Okay. So still we need to finish the problem. So we need to bring the x over to one side. So we'll add 15x to this side, which will cancel it out. And then add 16x to this side. And then what we'll do is add the 7 over here, which will cancel it out over here. And bring it over here. And then we have negative 16x plus 16x equals negative 7 plus 7. Well, since it's a negative and positive and it's the same value, obviously they're both going to be 0. So the answer is 0 equals 0. Which means something in the algebra world, but I'm not sure.
That's what it's saying.
It's true for all those. So, yeah. The answer is 0 equals 0.
Makes sense.
Got it?
Yep.
You actually did a lot better than I thought you were going to do.
Yeah. Because you taught me well.
I did. I taught him like that. Step by step. Write everything down and you'll be good. Alrighty, well, we don't have any questions.
No questions?
Any questions? I think that's it. Alrighty. If you want actually a closer look at my beautiful work. There we go. That's what we just did over here. Alrighty. Thank you.